Merry Christmas yet again, YouTubers. It's Hannah here, and today I want to talk about Pokemon and some more instances of Pokemon abuse I found out. Like the mayor and his Bulbasaur, I believe, in the Orange Islands or Season 3. He left his Bulbasaur down a sewer when he was a kid, or sent it down the river of the sewer when he was a kid because it wasn't strong enough. Very much like Damien and his Charmander, and I found that like distasteful, disgusting. I was like, I didn't like the mayor anyway. He seemed shady right from the beginning, and I was like, aha, I knew it. Because he was doing everything to exterminate this thing that was in the sewer that turned out to be his lost Bulbasaur, bigger, like 2 to 3 times bigger than normal Bulbasaur, even stealing Ash's Bulbasaur, and Ash, Misty, and Brock, and the rest of them. But it was nice. They saved it, got it back, and when the mayor remembered and was like, oh, you want to be my Pokemon now? Yeah, it said no, and finally put him right into his nice golden statue for his vanity and his stupidity, and I was happy about that, because I was like, good, you deserve that. Now, the second instance of Pokemon abuse was in the Orange Islands with when Ash got Lapras. It was a baby Lapras, and these 4 or 5 Orange Island thugs, I think that's what they were actually called, were just poking and prodding at it and hurting it. And I was like, excuse me, but no. And the fact that Tracy pretty much up and told them their Pokemon were not in fit condition to battle and a little fat, I was like, yes, go Tracy. And yeah, Pikachu, like, fried the entirety of the beach. I was like, nice. Lapras didn't want to take the medicine either, but eventually got it to the Pokemon Center and the medicine. And that's where we met Joy with, like, a massive tan going on, and she can row for, like, days. I'm like, wow, she's, like, the fastest rower in the world. She should enter into those competitions. But anyway, I was like, huh, wow, that's the first tan Joy we've ever seen. Cool. And she's super strong. I mean, she can lift an entire baby Lapras. It weighs at least several hundred pounds or more. I'm like, wow, that's amazing. No, not that Lapras. She lifted what amounted to be a several hundred pound supersized Magikarp. Which I'm thinking, yeah, that thing weighs a literal ton. But anyway, back to Lapras and the Pokemon. As far as I know, those have been the only instances of Pokemon abuse I've seen so far. But I swear there's a couple more instances of people just tossing aside their Pokemon. Like people leave their dogs out on bridges or kick their cats over bridges or leave them down wells or trash cans or just send them literally up the river like the mayor and his Bulbasaur. I'm like, really? You're going to put it in a box and send it up the river? Huh, very biblical of you, but still cruel. I'm like, okay, then why'd you have a Bulbasaur in the first place if you didn't like it? Don't know. I don't know why people do that. With real animals, too, I don't know why. If you don't want the animal, then why have one? I don't know. I hate people who do that. I'm a PETA supporter and a definite animal lover. I love all animals. Fictional, real, mythical. Animals in general. Anything that can be described as an animal, termed an animal, I love. Most of them, anyway. But, yeah, I don't know why. It just, I don't know. I have lots of dogs, lots of pets, and lots of cats, and I love them all. And yes, they're annoying and pesky at times, but I love them anyway. I think we all should love our animals equally. Some of them treat them like children. That's what I think should be done. And they're our friends, partners, unconditional love, or children, you know? It's really cool. But those are the only instances I have for now. I will return with more Pokemon info for more tales of people abusing their Pokemon or anything else that I found interesting while I watch through all 17. Yes, you heard me. 17 seasons. I am severely backlogged. So, wish me luck on getting the box sets for Christmas, and love you all. Merry Christmas.